It was a quiet Saturday morning when Alex packed a small backpack with the essentials: a phone with a decent camera, a lightweight tripod, a notebook, and a bottle of water. Today wasn't just about a walk in nature, it was the first step toward learning how to capture adventures on video. The first lesson appeared naturally: timing matters. Shooting in the early morning gave the video softer light, richer colors, and long shadows that made the forest look alive. Alex hit record, but instead of rushing, paused for a moment. Lesson 2, hold steady. A simple trick, placing the camera against a tree trunk, turns shaky footage into smooth cinematic shots. Moving down the path, Alex remembered to film short clips instead of long continuous recordings. 10 to 15 seconds of the rustling leaves, a stream bubbling over rocks, and close-ups of wildflowers would later give more flexibility in editing. Curiosity took over when the trail opened to a wide view of the valley. Alex tried different angles: low shots through the grass, wide shots of the horizon, and even a slow pan from left to right. Hi, this trail leads to a valley with sweeping views. What makes it special is the quiet and the light. Adventure wasn't just what the camera saw, it was also what I felt. By the time the sun began to set, the backpack was a little lighter, but the memory card was full. Plan for good light, morning or evening. Keep shots short and steady. Use variety, wide, medium, close-up. Tell a story, not just a sequence. Capture both nature and your own perspective. On the way home, Alex smiled. The adventure had been captured, not perfectly but with heart, and every future walk would only make the videos better.